we have here Sarah Hunkabrow. She has mental disease, and I'm trying to cure her for her I try not to laugh at her distinct because it's just bad. She tries to look kind of weird, but anyways, so I'm trying to cure her disease, and it's not working out. So I'm gonna show you a jam session or therapy session of her not being weird. But anyways, let's get it going. Sit over there for a second here. I heard you've been having some really bad days and stuff. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, I understand you. I hear you. I hear you. I heard what you said. Okay, stop looking at the camera because we need to focus. Okay, don't ever talk like that again because I told you to, so you can't do it. Okay? Not working. I killed her. She's dead now. She might. I don't know if she crawls back to life. Grabbing my butt. Good. Crab, I think I'm butt disabled. You wouldn't understand because you're freaking mental. Well, that's enough of our jam session buttness.